You're already touching it. Pull it out. Don't let it go all over the place again. Wait. You're dripping the guts all over.
That's gross.
Pick it up again.
This is wow.
Lift it up.
Every day I'm shuffling.
No. Reach inside and grab the guts out. Reach inside and grab that out. Hurry up.
What is that? You grab it.
No, grab it. No, Ty has to do it.
Dinner's never gonna get done, Mom.
Hurry up. Just grab it out. Okay, look like this.
It's a girl. Ah!
Reach inside. Got some more.
I had a baby.
Got the livers and stuff inside. Grab it out. Put your hand in the hole and grab it out.
I don't want to.
Hurry up, Ty.
Grab it out, chicken. The chicken wants to grab it out. Come on, chicken. Grab it out. Mom, I don't wanna. I wanna go play outside.
Not until you're done.
Ah! Ah!
Grab it out. Hurry up.
Fly.
Hurry up and grab the guts out.
I don't want to grab it.
No, you have to. That's how you make the chicken. Grab it. Grab it
Well,
out.
I guess I ain't gonna have any chicken in my house.
Grab it out. Hurry up. I'm helping you. Go. Oh, I'm opening it. Grab it. Grab it out.
I ain't gonna grab that. Mom,
Grab it out.
No.
Take it out.
Let me see you grab it out.
No, take it out for real.
No, for real. I ain't gonna take it out.